Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide pics and videos in your smartphone. So let's get started. First of all, head on over to the gallery. This image I can open it in the gallery right now. Now open your file manager. Go to internal storage. Now create a new folder. Folder name must be starting with dot, like .px. Now go back and enable Show Hidden Folders. Now your folder will be visible here. Now select the image that you want to hide. Move that image to created folder. Now go back and enable Don't Show Hidden Folders. Close the file manager. Open the gallery. Now your pic has been hidden. If you want to access that pic, go to File Manager. Enable Show Hidden Folders. Open the folder that you created. Move that pic to any other folder. Now your pic will be visible in the gallery. That's it. Thank you for watching. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel TechZone.